Welcome to EDU World Space.
Good day, everyone. So here for our solution, first thing that we were gonna do is we need to substitute the values for DIA and DIB. So we have ML, which is equals to DIA minus DIB over L. So we have ML is 1 over L. So we have F times DOA divided by DOA minus F times DOB divided by DOB minus F. So we have M1 or ML, which is equals to F divided by L. So we have DOA divided by DOA minus F minus DOB over DOB minus F. ML is equals to F divided by L. So we have DOA. So we have DOB minus F minus DOB. We have DOA minus F over, we have DOA minus F times DOB minus F. So we have ML, which is equals to F divided by L. So we have DOA, DOB minus DOAF minus DOB, DOA plus DOBF divided by DOA minus F times DOB minus F. So this is ML, which is equals to FL. So we have negative DOAF plus DOBF divided by DOA minus F and DOB minus F. We have ML equals to negative F raised to the power of 2 divided by L. So we have DOA minus DOB divided by DOA minus F times DOB minus F. And ML will be equal to F or negative F raised to the power of 2 divided by L. So we have L divided by DOA minus F times DOB minus F. So ML be equal to F raised to the power of 2 divided by DOA minus F times DOB minus F. Now here, we know that DOA minus DOB is equals to L, but L is very small, so we can approximate that our DOA and DOB will be equal to DO. So the term DOA minus F and DOB minus F are DO minus F. So we can write M1, which is equals to negative F raised to the power of 2 divided by DOA minus F, DOB minus F, M1 negative or negative F raised to the power of 2 divided by DO minus F times DO minus F. So ML will be equal to negative F raised to the power of 2 divided by DO minus f raised to the power of 2. So we have equal to ml, which is equals to negative f over do minus f raised to the power of 2. Now we need to find the meaning of the expression. And here we can write this one as f over do minus f times do divided by do, which is equals to do f divided by do times do minus f. So here we have f over do minus f, which is equals to di divided by do. We can recognize this is the absolute value of the lateral magnification, and the lateral magnification will be equal to m, that is f divided by do minus f. Finally, we can write m1 is equals to negative m raised to the power of 2. So the minus sign is here because the image is reversed.